time has stopped while we're working in here. Another day in the trenches. Not sure where we're heading today, but I'm trying to get the rest of the floor out. The back is done. Maybe the toilet area can go, and the whole front area behind the driver's seat. If that opens up, that'll be great. I think we'll put Vic on the side walls, try and get those off, see what's behind there, see if we can maybe reduce the thickness of the side walls. But yeah, another day, so let's give it a few more hours and see what happens. You can see how much of a flooring they've got on there, and in fact outside, if we have a look, here's the panel we took out. Yeah, you can see the flooring they put in there. This is a layer of OSB, which is a thick chipboard. There's a little plank here with another one below it, and they've sandwiched this reflective stuff between that to try and give it a bit of insulation. But look how much space that gives up. That's a lot of headroom there. So let's hope it works.
Do we have another screwdriver set?
It's a drill. Well, here we have the head. Head to the toilet. Pretty nifty here. Check it out. Look at that simple bucket. But it looks pretty convincing under there, don't you think?
It is so satisfying. Leave it on here as well.
Sometimes surprising just how little a screw is holding in a whole panel, you know? And other times like this, huge screws take forever to get out.
Especially when your wife's hogging the electric screwdriver.
Constantly trying to find out where the hidden screws are. Got another one. Well, here's a major panel which is part of the toilet. Not anymore. And managed to find all the screws.
Wow,
so we can pull that out. Get it out of here. Look how that opens up.
Gosh.
Once this panel's on, that's what I'm really quite keen on. What Vic's doing on these side walls, we're taking everything right back to the steel. As you can see, there is no insulation there. Over here we have the sign of humidity. This looks like it's been exposed to water or something. The rest of the panels are quite dry. But the thing is, even though this is a nice flat surface to start working on, it's actually quite straight, when actually the sides of the bus are a bit curved. We're keen to see what's behind here. I don't think there's any vapor barrier, and the problem is condensation. No matter what you do in a bus, there is condensation. You're breathing, the heat difference in and out. The metal condenses. So you need to protect that on the inside, and I don't think that's been done here. If we can see what was behind the shower as evidence. There is a bit of insulation here, which is actually not bad. So we're taking it all off, and we're going to attempt to try and get that curve of the bus back on the inside. I don't know if it'll work, but we're going to give it a try. Why not? Suddenly, pull this piece out. Look at that, my word. That makes a huge difference. Look at this, just opens the whole thing up. Suddenly it's one piece instead of a separate compartment. Yeah, let's get this piece out.
Let's see what's behind here. Always one. Yes. Wow. Yes, absolutely no plastic whatsoever. But hey, there's more insulation than we thought. so this is from the old windows.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. That's amazing.
So below the window.
Yeah, there's another panel. Right. I have to say I'm extremely grateful for our trailer here. We're just loading everything straight in and we'll take it to the recycling plant. That went down the wrong pipe. So this is incredibly handy for us because we can then just take everything, take it to the recycling centre and we work uniquely. That's exciting, man. Wow. I need to take this off. How do I get the last off? There's a screw in there, but this must come off first, right?
Yeah.
Curtain. So what are you doing, dude?
Well, this panel has kind of come out. It used to be over here, right?
Wow.
Just opens up the whole thing. It's really cool to see this.
Huh. I love these doors.
Yeah.
Wow, man. That looks so cool. Bye bye curtains. I love that door. It's just my favorite thing. It's just such fun. Swivel seats are suddenly a possibility.
Yeah, they're high enough.
That is so cool.
I think we should do that.
Yeah. Yay! Happy dogs, happy dogs.
Wow, check out this.
Oh, I'm so happy.
This opens up the whole thing. Now the front part is part of the back as well. All this was closed up. I mean, look at that. Isn't that great?
Amazing.
So many possibilities now just with this area alone. You can swivel our seats now, I think, which would be nice. And wow, man.
Oh, it feels like one big whole space.
Glamorous job.
Oh, yes. It reminds me of the good old days when we were doing flooring. This was my gondola. I was pretending I was in Venice. Nothing but of imagination could help with.
Oh, there you go. A couple of days work fills up a trailer. Pretty nifty, huh? That's all come out of here. So, what's in here now? Big open space. Check it out.
And a big open grate.